What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about the top stocks to watch for next week. We're also going to go over a breaking news that came out that is going to significantly affect the stock market. We're going to go over exactly if we're going to have a Santa Claus rally at the end of this year, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to cover all this important information. Now let's get right into the video. Now before we get into the video, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. So news just broke out that Trump signed the coronavirus relief package. There's some issue going back and forth. He said that he was not going to be signing it unless the amount of money that's being sent out to individual Americans, the amount of money to be raised to $2,000 instead of the $600. But now he signed the coronavirus relief package, and as you can see, the US stock futures rose up to the upside. So this is really fantastic for the overall stock market. Of course, that is going to definitely make it go higher tomorrow, so we might expect a significant gap up to the upside in the morning. But of course, we don't know if it's going to sustain the gains that is going to have or not. We just have to wait for it. But we're going to be talking about later on if also the Santa Claus rally is going to happen, and that could potentially push the stock market even higher. So we're going to be talking about later on. But the other important thing that I also want to be talking about is that Bitcoin also broke out to the upside. It's close to $27,000. It broke out of the $2,600 area yesterday, and right now it's trading above that price point. So that's really fantastic too. So the top stocks that we're going to be talking about is going to be involved in Bitcoin. So we're going to be go over 3 stocks that could potentially be experiencing a significant rally in 2021 if Bitcoin prices also go higher and higher. So the first 2 stocks that I'm going to be talking about, they're going to be involved in mining. So that is going to be the major industry these companies are involved. So the one of the company is going to be ticker symbol CAN. As you can see, the stock price actually broke out to the upside all the way to $7.28 as Bitcoin was significantly moving higher and higher and pull back all the way down to $3.70. Now, this is really ideal, especially if you want to get involved in them. If you missed the Bitcoin rally, if you have any Bitcoins, but if you still want to participate in getting involved in the Bitcoin maniac that's happening right now, you can definitely keep this company on your watch list, and it's definitely having a significant dip to the upside instead of chasing it as it went to $7.20. The 52-week high that it made is around $8.69. So it pulled all the way back to the downside. So if it could potentially sell off to the downside, you can definitely risk, this area is $3.40. Even if it pulls back all the way to $2.40, this is going to be the area you can definitely risk off of to get involved in it. So there's going to be more volatility coming in within the next few days or the next few weeks, depending upon how Bitcoin price actually fluctuates up and down. The other company that we're going to be talking about, it used to be a penny stock, but it broke out significantly to the upside. So this company is going to be ticker symbol MARA. Now this company broke out of the $6 area. It's sitting at a 52-week high of $14. Now it's sitting at $10.92. It had a dip to the downside, which was really good. So if you want to get involved in it for 2020, if you want to hold this company for 2021, and if Bitcoin price also keeps continuing to go higher, these 2 companies that are involved in directly mining Bitcoin, they can definitely benefit. So this is one of the 2 companies that you need to be watching out for. Now the other company is definitely going to be a higher priced company. Is going to be ticker symbol MSTR. Now this is a company that is going to be used to store Bitcoin, and the stock price is definitely really pricey. It's $322.61, and it's edging closer to breaking out right around over here. Initially had a massive upside move to the upside, and it basically had a slight pullback to $274. Right now it's getting closer and closer to breaking out. So the Bitcoin price keeps going higher, and there's a lot of investors that are going to be flooding into Bitcoin. These stocks that can definitely perform very well. There's a lot of money that's been pumped within this year to the markets, and also to individuals, to different businesses. They've been printing a lot of money, so there's a lot of inflation that can potentially happen in the next few years. So people are just definitely gravitating towards investing in Bitcoin. So that is something you need to be looking for. If you do not have any Bitcoin, if you want to get involved in any of these speculative companies or speculative cryptocurrency. So definitely keep in mind that. But now let's talk about, are we going to have a Santa Claus rally that is going to push the overall stock market to the upside? What is the Santa Claus rally, and what is the likelihood of getting that? So let's check out this video talking about exactly what the Santa Claus rally is all about.
With 2021 just right around the corner, a lot of investors ask themselves, is the Santa Claus rally a real thing or is it just an anomaly? Well, what is the Santa Claus rally? It's a typical seasonal tendency of the stock market in general to rally in the last 5 days of December into the first 2 days of January. There's a lot of explanations around this and a lot of conflicting data. A lot of people think that it's due to tax advantages or perhaps vacations with the people that are generally bearish. The optimism around a new year tends to have people structure their portfolios to try and get off to a good start, and that's why we generally see this massive surge in buying in the last week of December.
So we might potentially experience a rally to the upside depending upon how the COVID cases are. There's a lot of cases that's been reported. There's been a lot of people that traveled a lot across the US, and also there's going to be a lot of implementation of the vaccine. So that's definitely going to be helping it mitigate some of the spikes in the number of cases. But however, you still never know. We have more positive news that came out for the overall stock market, and we have this historical data that says the overall stock market can perform very well at the end of December. So statistically, I think that the overall stock market is going to be trading higher, and we might have experience of bullish end of 2020. So also the other companies that I forgot to mention was, of course, NIO. NIO is a fantastic company that's dipped to the downside the past few days. It has a really, for the past 3 days, it's been selling off to the downside. NIO Day is coming. They're also going to be announcing the delivery numbers pretty soon. So this is going to be a great buying opportunity, if you want to get involved in the short term, just to really ride the momentum of, buy the rumor, sell the news event that could potentially happen in NIO Day in January 9. This is a good opportunity. You can definitely risk off of, the $40 area. That's going to be a solid risk area because it hit this price point several times and still did not sell off to the downside. So definitely keep NIO on your watch list. It had a slight sell off to the downside, and we might expect the stock, to break out of the $50 area pretty soon within the next few days, depending upon the rally that we might experience within this stimulus news and also Santa Claus rally that can potentially help push this stock higher. So definitely keep your watch this in these companies. So if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. If you want to sign up for Weeble, get free stocks, and also, join the Patreon page, join the free Discord. There's a link available in the description box. But I catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Let's get it. Have a wonderful day.